So let's start with this question, 17th one. From point A on a highway, one has to get as soon as possible. So here, as soon as possible, it means the condition is time must be minimum. Okay, to point B while in the field at a distance L from the highway. It is known that car moves in the field eta times slower than highway. So if v is the speed in the field, then obviously the car is going with the speed eta times of v faster, okay, on highway. So the velocity on highway become eta v and velocity on field is v I have taken. It is known that car moves in the field eta times slower, that we have already taken considered. At what distance from point D one must turn off the highway? So let us say this distance be x. Let the car takes turn from distance x from D. Okay. So now what would be the total time taken? So total time taken by the car will be time taken by the car to reach AC, and then time taken by the car to travel CB. So time taken will be equal to, so what is time? Distance upon speed. What is distance AC? So let us say the distance from A to D is AD. So if I subtract x from this, that becomes AD minus x, distance upon speed, plus then from C to B, so it will be distance upon speed. How much is this distance? So this is under root x square plus L square, C to B distance. So it will be under root x square plus L square upon speed in the field is v. Okay, so we have got the equation for time in terms of x. For time to be minimum, the derivative of time with respect to x must be 0. So let's differentiate this. So the derivative of time with respect to x, that is AD minus x upon eta v plus under root x square plus L square upon v. Okay, so the derivative of this whole thing must be equal to 0. Then and only thing I'll take the value of x for which time taken is minimum. So let's differentiate. So here 1 upon eta v is constant and the derivative will go inside. So it will be derivative of AD minus derivative of x first, plus again 1 upon v is constant, so it will be derivative of under root x square plus L square equal to 0. Okay, so here 1 upon eta v in bracket, AD is constant because distance from A to D is fixed, so the derivative of constant is 0, minus derivative of x with respect to x will be 1, plus 1 upon v into. So this is chain rule because in the root function there is one more function. So we know that the derivative of root is, so I'll do it like this. If it is derivative of root f of x, so it will be 1 upon 2 root f of x and then derivative of f of x. So again it will be 1 upon 2 root under root x square plus L square into then derivative of x square plus L square equal to 0. So 1 upon eta v, this is minus, plus. Now I will differentiate the numerator. So derivative of x square will be 2x and L will be 0, divided by 2v under root x square plus L square equal to 0. This 2 get cancelled out. Now I will send this term here and make it positive. So x upon v under root x square plus L square is equal to 1 upon eta v. This v and this v get cancelled. I will take this eta on this side and this on this side. Okay, so let's solve it here now. So when eta comes here, it becomes eta x is equal to, and when this go there, it becomes under root x square plus L square. Now I will do squaring on both sides. So it will be eta square x square is equal to x square plus L. So eta square x square minus x square is equal to L square. So therefore we have got the value of x as L upon under root eta square minus 1. Okay. While solving this, I have considered eta as greater than 1. Okay. One may solve the same numerical by taking eta as less than 1, and the speed of car on a highway will be eta times of velocity of car in field you can take. So you will get different answer. Okay. So here it is not mentioned in the question, but be careful while solving in exams whether eta is greater than 1 or less than 1. If it is nothing said, then we will assume it as greater than 1. That